Bulgarian cuisine is renowned for its rich flavors, diverse ingredients, and hearty dishes influenced by a mix of Eastern European, Mediterranean, and Middle Eastern culinary traditions. Here are some iconic Bulgarian dishes and foods worth trying. Shopska Salad, a refreshing salad made with chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, peppers, and grated sirene cheese, similar to feta, drizzled with olive oil and sprinkled with parsley. Banitsa, a traditional pastry made with layers of filo dough and a filling typically consisting of eggs, sirene cheese, and sometimes spinach or other ingredients. It's often enjoyed as a breakfast dish or snack. Kebapche and Kyufte, grilled minced meat dishes, similar to kebabs or meatballs, seasoned with spices like cumin and served with a side of fresh vegetables and bread. Tarator, a cold soup made with yogurt, cucumbers, garlic, dill, and sometimes walnuts, providing a refreshing option, especially during hot summers. Kebapche, a stew made with pork, chicken, or veal, cooked with vegetables such as peppers, tomatoes, and onions, and seasoned with paprika, resulting in a flavorful and hearty dish. Banitsa, a thick relish made from roasted peppers, tomatoes, carrots, and eggplant, seasoned with garlic and spices. It's often enjoyed as a spread on bread or as a condiment with grilled meats. Shopska, a mixed grill platter featuring a variety of grilled meats such as kebapche, kyufte, pork chops, and kebabs, served with fries or salad. Bulgarian yogurt. Known for its unique taste and probiotic properties, Bulgarian yogurt is thick, creamy, and slightly tangy. It's commonly enjoyed plain or used in various dishes and desserts. Moussaka, a layered dish similar to moussaks, typically made with potatoes, minced meat, often pork or beef, tomatoes, onions, and topped with a creamy mixture of eggs and yogurt or bechamel sauce. Rakica, a traditional fruit brandy popular throughout the Balkans, including Bulgaria. It's made from fermented fruits like plums, grapes, or apricots, and often enjoyed as an aperitif or digestif. These are just a few highlights of Bulgarian cuisine, which offers a diverse range of flavors and dishes to explore. Additionally, Bulgaria's geographic location along the Black Sea provides ample opportunities to indulge in fresh seafood dishes in coastal regions,